Hello friends, how are you? Hope you all are good and doing well. So today in this video I'm gonna talk about open source software. But before that, I would like you to please subscribe my channel and give a thumbs up to this video because your one likes makes me very happy. Talking about open source, the first question comes in my mind is like what open source exactly is? So in simple words, we can say that a source which is open to all. A source which is open to all. Like there's nobody that the source code is hidden from. So that is what the source open source means. Now the second question comes in my mind is what is the source here? The source we are talking about. It's the main code of the software which runs behind. For example, you can't see how Windows is programmed. You can only see how it's working. You can only use that software, but you can't see how it is programmed, how it is made. What is the actual code of that software? You can't see because Windows has not given you rights to see, to modify, to change, to do anything with his code. But at the same time, you can see how Linux is programmed, can also see how it's performing. You can redistribute it, you can change it, you can modify it, you can add your own features in Linux. But that can't be possible with Windows. So it's what the source means. You cannot see source code of any operating system like Windows or any other else. But you can see the source code of the softwares that are open source. So it's the main meaning of source code. Like I previously explained, the main program of any software is called source code. Now the thing comes like what are the features of open source software? How can you say that this software is open source and this is not? So there are some points and features of it. So there are four features like the software should be freely available. For example, Linux OS, Python, Firefox browser, etc. The source code should be public. We have already discussed that. And you can modify the source code according to your need. Yes, that's what we do in Linux and all operating systems. And you can also redistribute modified source code to anyone. And there are several distributions of the Linux OS. Like you should have heard the name of Kali Linux, Parrot OS, Ubuntu, etc. softwares. What are these? All of them are the distributions of Linux OS, a modified Linux OS. Like Kali Linux and Parrot OS both are for what? They are for hacking, ethical hacking. So they have the tools, predefined tools for ethical hacking installed in them. So that's what we have modified in them. So friends, that's all about the open source software. I hope you have understood it. And please like, share, comment on my video and do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Now, have a good day, have a good night, have a good afternoon. Bye bye. Take care.